Awesome. Johnny, welcome to the show. Really excited to have you here today.
Well, thank y'all for having me on. It's fun.
It's funny, Johnny and I go back years. I think we met at probably a friend in common from church or something and started having lunch together on a pretty regular basis. And Johnny, one of the things I love about Johnny, humble, unassuming. I had no idea how many cool stories Johnny knew until we started having lunch together with some regularity. I mean, I gotta ask, how does one go from law school to becoming a U.S. attorney?
It's a long journey. You gotta be a little bit lucky, and you gotta get good at trying cases. What I'd recommend for me, of course, I didn't want to be a lawyer. I wanted to be a professional baseball player, and that was my goal since I was in seventh or maybe before the sixth grade. And I went to a school in eighth grade where the principal of the school would say, we'd have a yearly meeting, and they'd say, "Well, what do you want to be when you grow up? You don't really need to know because you're only in eighth grade. But if you have an idea, if you want to be a doctor, or a lawyer, engineer, just let me know." And I'd always say, "Well, I'm going to be a professional baseball player." And they said, "Well, no, no, like a real job. What would you want to be as a career?" And I'd say, "I'm not kidding." So that was my focus was on baseball. Um, and other sports through high school. And I went to a good high school that was very challenging academically. So I was pushed hard in that high school. But
Yep.
the bottom line is played baseball for the University of Texas. And we were good in those years. But as I was a senior, the pro scouts were handing me law school applications, which is a very bad sign when you want to
Yeah.
be a professional baseball player.